Good afternoon everyone, respected teachers and principals. Today I am going to speak on a very important topic, green energy. We all know that our planet is facing big problems like pollution, climate change and shortage of natural resources. Every day we use energy resources in our home, drive for vehicles and in industries. But most of this energy comes from coal, oil and gas, which are called fossil fuels. When these fuels burn, they release harmful gases that warm up the earth and cause air pollution. This is why we need to find a cleaner and safer way to produce energy. That is where green energy comes in. Green energy that comes from natural and renewable sources such as sunlight, wind, water and plants. It is called green because it is good for the environment and does not pollute our air or water. We need green energy because it helps us protect our planet and our future reduces pollution. Green energy does not release harmful gases like carbon dioxide or smoke. So it keeps our air and water clean and it creates new jobs. Green energy industries give employment to technology, engineering and environment fields, and it protects nature. Also, it does not harm forests, rivers or animals like naming or oil drain do. Different sources of green energy are: first, solar energy comes from sunlight captured using solar panels to produce electricity or heat water. For example, solar lights, solar heaters and solar power plants. Second example is wind energy. Comes from moving air. Wind turbines convert wind's motion into electrical energy, common in open areas or coastal regions. Solar panels work by changing sunlight into electricity. Sunlight falls on the solar panel. The panel is made up of small parts called solar cells, usually made of silicon, and solar cells absorb sunlight. When sunlight heats these cells, it gives energy to tiny particles called electrons. A whole day without electricity, no fan, no light, no mobile charging, no TV, no internet, life will suddenly feel very difficult. In the morning, we could not use electric cookers or even heat waters. Schools, hospitals and offices will not work properly. At night, everything will be dark and quiet and we will depend only on candles or lanterns. A day without electricity makes us realize how important it is in our daily life. It teaches us to save electricity and use it wisely because it has become one of the most essential parts of modern living. It is not just a choice, it is a necessity for a cleaner, safer and brighter future. By using renewable resources like solar, wind, reduce pollution, slow down climate change and protect our planet for future generations. Each one of us has a role to play by saving electricity, supporting clean energy and spreading awareness. Together, we can build a